My boost gauge wasn't working, was it?
It's working, but it's just not right on par. But we are going to make a 20B.
We have Vlad's RX-8, Radu's RX-8, EFC, always with some problems. And then there's the FD, also with some problems. And then there's Sorin's S2000. That moment when you can hear your car from 100 meters away. We're going to watch the FC as we've got a start of the season meeting today. Should be nice. So after our joke with we should probably get out of here, some old lady from across the street came over and called the police on us for real. And we had to scram. The car's running a bit rough. Mike worked a lot on it, but it still needs some fine tuning with the map. And we're now just picking up the FD, taking them both for a wash, and then heading on over to Table Japonese, to Hotel Caro. So we're gonna wash both cars before the event. Îți iau eu? Nu mai trece de 5500. sir. How are you?
I'm good. How about you? Car starts well? Okay, so Michael gonna park next to me, and you're going to park next to him. Not like this, okay? So
The cross position.
the cross position.
45 degrees.
Yes.
Okay. I thought we'd be the first ones to arrive in the parking lot, but apparently that's not the case. This looks like a Civic Taro, which is quite interesting because it's the EM version. Quite nice. The Lexus, the Subarus, that's a Mitsubishi over there, some Infinitis, the Supra, GT86, the Type R, MX-5, R34 Skyline. There's a Mazda 3, CRX, 2 CRX, the GTR, which we don't usually get at these meetings, Honda Civic EK version. Apparently we're the first ones from our group to arrive, but some RX-8s are coming up next. We've got Sorin's S2000 here as well, Nissan 370Z. But we should get an additional 4 or 5 RX-8s from our group. Unfortunately, our surprise for today isn't going to happen because FD from Constanța isn't going to make it over to the event. But we still had some fun along the way, yeah. I'm having some issues with the car, with the setup, with the map setup. It doesn't want to go past 5500 RPM. But Mike's got his laptop and it's probably gonna get solved soon. Dead spark plugs?
Da.
It wouldn't be a Rotary outing without some wrenching on the car. Thankfully Mike is here again to save the day. He checked the spark plugs, he checked the coils, and now I'm not sure what he's checking, but he's checking it. What are you checking? He's checking the plugs. Not the pugs, the plugs. Wrench, wrench all the way. Wrench your day away. Lena arrived a bit late and he had to park somewhere else. But he's still in good company with the GT86s next to him and the GR Supras. Yeah, he's the only Mazda in a bunch of Toyotas. Unfortunately, there's only so many places available for the group. But the backdrop is amazing. We have the Skylines and the Skylines. We have Vlad's RX-8, Radu's RX-8, EFC, always with some problems. And then there's the FD, also with some problems. And then there's Sorin's S2000. Impressions? How was the day?
Shorter than the days I worked on your piece of shit.
Yeah, thank you for that. Is it working now?
Yeah, it's working.
Can I drive home safely?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You have to look for the boost when you're going home, just to test the solenoid, because I put my solenoid in your wastegate. So
But my boost gauge wasn't working, was it?
it's working, but it's just not right on par. But you're going to make a 20B.
That's not how you do it,
Yeah,
man.
that's not how you do it.
What about your car? You found something wrong with your car?
Yeah.
Boost leak?
Boost leak from a silicon hose, which is surprising because last time I checked it was fine. So
But it's still boosting.
still boosting, yeah, still working. So no worries there. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Just driving it as usual.
What was your favorite car today?
I didn't get to see the cars today.
Yeah, just worked on my piece of
yeah, I
shit.
just worked. Yeah, just checked the spark plugs and swapped the spark plugs between the cars and stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I have not seen all the cars. Nice to see old friends. So, yeah.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes.
Are we going home together?
Yes.
Let's go.
How can you afford to come here each time?
You must be rich.
Yeah, you must be rich.
I make a credit every time.
You make what?
Credit.
Credit. Yeah, he takes out a loan.
Oh, you take a loan. Oh. Yeah. I got a credit card for that.
That can be a good commercial for a bank.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Want to put petrol in your car? Okay, that's it. See you next time. Yeah, so that's about it for the first car meet of the season here at Table Japonaise at Hotel Caro in Bucharest. Quite a few cars here, quite a few people. There's the Corvette, the FC, the FD, and now I'm about to embark on a 200-mile long journey back to my hometown. Yeah, because I've moved away from Bucharest. That's gonna be fun. All the RX-8 guys here. See you next time. So I just stopped for gas. Gas cap isn't working, so I needed to open the trunk and do it like that. It was okay on the highway, a bit noisy. I still have that protection at 5500 RPM, which is annoying. But other than that, the car runs okay. And I still got 120 kilometers to go until it reaches its new home, close to the Transalpina highway. So hopefully I'm going to come up with more videos from that location soon. Looks nice in this light.